Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check flight number on Ryanair. So first you need to access your booking to find your flight number. And how do you do that? Head over to any browser of your choice and type in www.ryanair.com. Once you get into the website, go ahead and click on login at the top right corner. There, enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on my bookings from the top right corner of your screen, and it's going to take you to a window where you see a list of your upcoming and past flights. I do not have any upcoming and past flights, so there's literally nothing to show here, but if you do, you're going to find them here. So go ahead and find the flights you wish to view and click on manage this booking right next to the flight that you wish to view. So once you click on manage this booking, it's going to take you to the booking details page. So go ahead and locate your flight number within the booking details. So within the manage this booking section, which is the booking details page, you'll see all the details of your flight. Now look for a code that starts with FR followed by a series of numbers. Example, FR1234. Now this is your Ryanair flight number. Alternatively, you can find your flight number in your booking confirmation email. All you have to do is to search for the confirmation email from Ryanair. Within the email, you'll find your flight itinerary. The flight number will be listed alongside the departure and arrival information. If you can't find the email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. You can also find it using the Ryanair mobile app. And there you have it. Whether you're using the Ryanair web app, checking your email, or using the mobile app, finding your flight number is a breeze. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.